Yes, Mom. Put on your gloves too. Mom, my shoes are too small. Take this. You can have mine. You are very kind. Good, let's go. We are late. Good evening, Mr. Lawrence. Welcome here. Come in, please. Good evening, Mr. Lawrence. Nice to meet you. Close your eyes. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Come in, please. Open your eyes. Oh, he has big ears. Can you help me? Sure, I can. It's good. Thank you. How nice. You're welcome. Put on your hat, please. How nice. You? Are you okay? I'm okay. The king has big ears. The king has big ears. Opening. Wow. How nice. Open the door. Wow. Hi, Hyungbu. Hi, Nobu. What's this? Close it. Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is for you. Thank you. How nice of you. Can I open it now? Sure. Oh, it's a lovely picture. I like it a lot. I'm glad you like it. Happy birthday, Cinderella. This is for you. Thank you. Open the door. Sure. Close the door. Okay. Happy birthday. This is for you. Oh, thank you. Good, thank you. Goodbye. Bye.